Hi, thank you for taking the time to look at our inventory. Today we're going to go ahead and go over this really nice Winnebago 28 SGS. It is a 2017. As you're going to see outside, you got a lot of nice storage, two tip outs to give you a lot of space inside. As you can see, once you walk in, we have a lot of open space right here, nice and open, a lot of room, for this 31-foot, coach. It is really, really nice. They have a nice setup, as you can see, you have a couch, right next to these recliners and, rocking chairs. So if you want to, get some rest, hang out in the kitchen area and or in the living room area, there's a lot of space, so really nice layout. The chairs are going to be set up to where you can, watch TV, and then also has a really nice fireplace with some ambiance, for the look when you're hanging out. Yeah, you also have a really nice table right over here, so you can go ahead and sit and enjoy your afternoon dinner or nice breakfast. As you walk over here in the kitchen area, you're gonna see that you have a really nice fridge with a large freezer, and then also a three burner stovetop. So once again, really nice setup, lots of counter space, double sinks, lots of storage in that area. And if you walk up to the bedroom, you're gonna see that on the left hand side you have the bathroom, lots of space in there. So they did a really good job with this coach as far as trying to make as much room as possible, for the length that we have to offer. So really nice, lots of space. Once again, thank you so much for taking a look at our inventory. My name is Gaston. If there's any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Phone number is 541-810-2202.